Boys, update. We did not go to the gym.
I'm beating the spot. I had a friend on I done pulled up a deuce in the family. And these bitches can play in my face.
Boys, currently.
From Atlanta, she said that she loved the Marie. Crushing up from at the team, this shit kinda tense.
Alright, boys, night number 1 in Uluwatu. We just got here from the driver. It was like a 2-hour drive down from Gangu. We got some lunch, we got some grubs, and now we are just checked into the Airbnb for a single night because tomorrow we have a much nicer spot. But check the temporary Airbnb. You guys can't really see it, but this Airbnb makes no sense. It is a room downstairs and a room upstairs. I don't know if you guys can see it up there. And that up there is the second bedroom, which is isolated, has no AC, and has no access to the primary house. So I will be sleeping on the couch or in bed with George because there's no way I'm sleeping in an isolated room that has no AC. So far, Bali has been beautiful and has treated me amazing. I've made over $15,000 in profits trading in the last 4 days while being here. And not only has it covered my expenses for the trip, but it's made me realize how beautiful of a gift trading really is. I know I often prayed. I know I always post saying like, oh, trading is freedom. I've never actually allowed myself or treated myself to go on vacation and trade, right? I buy myself nice things. I buy myself nice cars. I buy my family and friends nice gifts all the time. I splurge like a motherfucker, I will agree. But I have never actually treated myself to a vacation, and this is kind of me just enjoying the fruits of my labor. And it is kind of beautiful to see how nice life can be when you actually just follow your rules and not be an idiot for 2 weeks. That is all I'm asking of you guys, to follow your rules and follow your system for 2 weeks, right? Is 2 weeks gonna get you a lot of money? No, you're probably not gonna make any money in 2 weeks. What is 2 weeks gonna do for you? 2 weeks is going to build discipline, it's going to build habits, and within those habits, you are going to change your life. B&B tour for the night, right? Living room, kitchen, we got George over here. Bathroom number 1. This one is ass. Wait till you guys see the main bathroom. Number 2 with direct ocean view. You wanna take a piss? The bathroom is just like B&B. We're only here for 1 night because we are leaving tomorrow to a much nicer spot. But what are we gonna do now? George, what are we doing now?
We're going to the Bamboo Fitness Center, and then we're going to go to the beach. We're going to shower, then we're going to have a nice ass dinner. We're going to get some what? Some sushi low-key if you're down.
Sushi. All right, boys. We're going to go watch the sunset. Well, first, shower, sunset, gym, sushi. Bang, let's get into it. All right, little insight on how I trade right before the gym. We did end up getting a nice tap into our level. Got a great rejection of that. I will be looking for shorts in a few hours. US markets do open in 2.5 hours, so I will be ready for that. Took the first shower in Uluwatu, so we are now ready to head over to the gym. Caffeine in the system, $3,000 richer, TP bang. Now we are gonna get a crazy chest day in and just chill in the pool, and I'm gonna take you guys with me so you can see what it's like. Boys, update. We did not go to the gym. I took a 30-minute nap and we're heading to dinner. We'll go to the gym tomorrow morning. I'll show you guys what it's like going to a wellness center here because it is a completely different experience to a normal gym. You have a workstation, gym, cold plunge, jacuzzi, sauna, steam room, swimming pool. Like, it's insane. But right now, me and George are heading over to a sushi restaurant.
No, it's like a European cuisine.
Like,
All right, we're getting
it's so good.
Run that back, turbo.
That my little what she been pulling up on it. Come right to the spot and I'm deep in her stomach. Play with it, play with some more money. Don't want no rich and she like how I'm coming. Shades on my face, all I see is abundance.
All right, boys, well, at dinner, you already know we ended up catching some shorts right here. Cleared the plate, the bill's coming soon. We had to cover that bill. So we took a small little short. Ended up making just around $4,000 on the trading day.
Cruising this daily, I'm blown in the back of the Mercedes.
Literally came out to $140 for like a 6-course meal with like 10 bottled waters, so you have to pay for that shit here because if not you get Bali belly. If you ever travel to Bali, don't drink any tap water, sink water, shower water, pool water, none of that. All you can drink is the bottled water because if not you're gonna get sick as shit. Boys, currently 11 p.m. We are just on a call with the Discord right now, currently hopping over 2 trades we took that ended up making us around $6,000 on the trading day, right? Every day live with the Discord, making sure these guys know what's up. Come on now. All right, boys, say what's up for the vlog. Alright, this is going into the next vlog, probably like 2 days from now. What's up, vlog? Alright, fire original answer, bro. Alright, boys, what is up? It is 6:30 a.m., meaning Asia session, or sorry, not Asia, but market opened, just opened for the next trading day in the USA, meaning I'm now eligible to go for a winning day on my alpha accounts, and I'm gonna show you guys how I do that right over here. Got the winning day on 3 out of 4 of the funded accounts. You can see these 3 are all at $276 in profit. All right, wait, this is not even a funded account. I don't know why it's there. All right, $276 and bang, $276, right? One of our other accounts is still in the short. I've been in the short for like 10 minutes. I'm literally just going for a winning day, targeting this low right here. My take profit is at 29,904. I did get a very bad entry on the short, but let's let it ride. All right, we officially have 4 out of 5 winning days on our alpha accounts. We have 4 active accounts. 3 of them got the 4th winning day. The last one I couldn't sadly copy trade for some reason. Trade of 8 was down, so we are manually in a short right now, and it is going awful. I'm not even gonna lie. We have been sitting in the short position for 30 minutes. We're in some pretty deep drawdown right now. We basically just need price to take out this low. My entry is somewhere in this leg right here. No stop loss for the winning day. Let's see if we hit TP. All right, any thoughts?
Hopefully we get TP.
Hopefully we get that 4th out of 5th winning day, and let's go. Alright, boys, we just checked into the new villa, which you cannot see, but it has a cold plunge, sauna, and steam room. We are now going with sauna, cold plunge, and a beautiful view, which I'm gonna film a side video for you guys tonight. And we are now heading over to the beach. I don't know if you can even hear me because of the wind. We're not heading over to the beach. I'm gonna show you guys what it's like. It is beautiful. Right there, bro. Just chilling. Bro, they have so many monkeys here. Just follow your rules, bro. Follow your fucking rules. We're back in the new Airbnb. Look at this shower. We have a glory hole on the roof. Look how insane that is, bro. Insane, beautiful shower. The bedroom. Wait till you guys see the upstairs, because the upstairs is ridiculous. Just wait till you guys see the upstairs. It's insane. All right, boys, what is up? It is currently 7:41 p.m. We got back from the gym. We got back from the beach. I ended up going right back to the gym just for a little bit of recovery. I didn't film anything. Sorry about that. I felt kind of bad at filming. There's a bunch of people literally walking around in bathing suits and bikinis because it's more of like a pool club situation. So I'm not trying to film that really. So came back home. So like, I'm not really trying to film that. So 7:42 p.m. meaning we're getting ready to go out tonight. 9:30 p.m. we do have to be ready to trade market open. So, all right, boys, I completely lied. I feel so sick. I can't even go out. I took a trade. I'm literally gonna go to bed now. I feel sick. This is the trade we took right here. Was a short off OT of the range and an hourly gap. Honestly, clean short. Would I take it again? 100%. I don't know why price didn't take out these lows here. We edged those lows, and I did end up getting break even, round tripped. I got round tripped on my live, and I'm not trading any fundeds. I got my $1,000 on my evals pre-market. That's it. I need more allocation. Every prop firm has moved it live or has scuffed me recently, so I've just been getting cooked. I'll see you boys soon.